What's up guys, it's David back here with another video. Today we're working on my Chevy Silverado. I have a service four-wheel drive light, so I went to the junkyard and picked up this transfer case module. It was I think 50 bucks, 10 bucks with a guarantee, and it is located. You see this barcode right here. This is the module right here. So all that we're gonna have to do is pull back these tabs to pull it out and disconnect the electrical connectors. So we're gonna take these tabs, pull back the tabs and push the module out. Like that. So you're just gonna, there's a tab here, tab on each side on the bottom, pull it out, move your e-brake cable out of the way. Sorry. Move the e-brake cable up out of the way. Let me see if I can get to these connectors. Alright, so I kind of moved the e-brake cable down underneath it. That way I could kind of pull this down some, or it's just loose. This connector you're just gonna push up right there on where my finger is and pull it out. It's really hard to do, but this connector and this connector, both of these blue ones, you just push up on this blue tab and it'll pop out. And then this black one, it has a tab that you have to pull down. So let me try to get these. All right, like I said, with those blue connectors, you just have to push that tab right here. You just push that tab in and it'll come off. I still got the module here just so I can show you. I can get it flipped around. So come on. So you can see right here, the black one has a tab right there. Come on, that tab right there that you're gonna pry up and pull off. All right, I got my module out. You can see right here. These things are interchangeable. You don't have to have like any special code reader or anything, but you have your black, gray, and black. This is the one with that little tab right there that I said. So this is my one from LKQ. But so you got your black wire that goes right here on the very left. This is your other black wire right here, and this middle wire is the gray one. So you got your big black one, big gray one, and a little black one. So let me see. All right, I'm going to attempt to put this back in one-handed. I'm trying to find a place to set my phone, but I can't find a good one apparently. All right, so let's connect our connectors back. There we go. All right, I got the first black wire in. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in its place. And then I'm going to go around and put in the middle wire. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in the bottom wire. Excuse me, the black one. accidentally just pulled out that one. I got the other black on it. All right, there we go. All of them are in. You can move your, now that all of them are in, you can move your e-brake cable back right there. And let's try to start it up and see if we still have the code. All right, usually whenever I would start it up, it would say service four-wheel drive right there, as well as this light was blinking with all these lights blinking. So I think it fixed the problem. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.